Hands-on workshop, a practical learning experience. Hello and welcome, learners. Today, we're diving into a very practical and interactive topic: hands-on workshops. These are not your regular classes, they are much more engaging. Let's explore what makes hands-on workshops special and why they are incredibly beneficial for learning new skills. The term hands-on refers to learning by actually doing, rather than just listening or watching. Imagine learning to cook not by watching a cooking show, but by chopping the vegetables and frying the eggs yourself. That's the essence of being hands-on. It's all about getting your hands dirty, sometimes literally, in the learning process. A workshop is a gathering, often in a classroom or a work setting, where a group of people come together to focus on a specific topic. Unlike traditional lectures, workshops are more about interaction and practical engagement. In a hands-on workshop, you're expected to participate actively, work on real-life projects, and collaborate with others. 1. Enhanced learning. Being actively involved means you're more likely to remember what you've learned. 2. Skill development. Hands-on workshops allow you to practice new skills in a safe environment, with guidance from an expert. 3. Immediate feedback. You can get instant feedback on your work, helping you improve quickly. 4. Engagement. These workshops are more engaging and less likely to be boring, keeping you motivated to learn. Hands-on workshops are common in various settings. Educational institutions for subjects that require practical skills, like science labs or art classes. Professional development courses where learning a new software or a business skill is necessary. Hobbyist gatherings, like a photography club or a pottery class, where learning by doing is part of the fun. That's a wrap on hands-on workshops. They are interactive, engaging, and an excellent way to learn and develop new skills. Remember, the beauty of these workshops lies in their practical approach to learning. We hope this video has shed light on the subject and you're now eager to get your hands dirty in a workshop soon. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.